Hello, welcome back, welcome to my house and welcome to my channel. Remember that we were here. We were finishing this last stitch that I taught you, and if you missed the first part, we're in the description box below. I will share the link. So remember that I gave you homework and we are going to continue and finish this beautiful skirt to complete the set for this coming vacation. Remember that I told you to try on and to see if you like the long of the skirt. Remember that here we are going to make 6 centimeters more approximately, and then we are going to continue with the rest. But well, welcome and thank you so much for subscribing. Well, here in the top we are going to continue with this stitch. Remember that here we made 3 single crochet and the picot, 3 single crochet and picot. So well, in the top we are going to make something similar, but instead of making 3 single crochet we are going to make 2 single crochet and the picot, 2 single crochet and the picot. So we are going to repeat this segment 4 times, okay, in these 5 spaces. Remember that here we made less because we put this extra piece to cover this hole. So well, we are going to continue and well, here in this joint, to go to the other circle we are going to make 2 chains, and like this is how we are going to reduce. So this is what I made all around the row. Here I'm finishing, so I will make 2 chains and I will slip one to close this row. Okay, to start with the next row, first we are going to slip one until we arrive to the first picot, until here. Then we will go up with 3 chains plus 1 chain that will go between them, and in the next picot we are going to make a double crochet, then 1 chain and again a double crochet over the picot, and like this is how we are going to continue the whole row. So this will be the whole stitch. So between double crochet we are going to make 1 chain and we are going to insert the hook right over the picot like this until we arrive here. So see you at the end of the row. Well, at the end of the row, please check that you didn't reduce too much. If not, you will put 1 chain between, okay, to open a little bit. At the end we are going to slip one to close. Right here we will go up with 3 chains and then inside a double crochet. So you see, in each space we are going to make 2 double crochet together, and like this is how we are going to continue the whole row without making any chain between. Okay, at the end of the row we are going to slip one to close. Please check that here you didn't reduce too much. If not, we are going to continue. We will go up with 3 chains, then 1, 2, and in the fourth we will insert the hook and make a double crochet right there. Then inside of this leaning double crochet we are going to make 3 double crochet inside, as you could see before I went up with 3 chains. So again, let's repeat: 1, 2, 3, and in the fourth we will insert the hook, make a double crochet, then 1, 2, 3 chains, and inside we are going to make 3 double crochet, and we will have like these leaning squares, okay? So like this is how we are going to continue all around, okay? So like this. Okay, so at the end of the row we will have something like this, and we are going to slip one to close. Then we are going to slip one until we arrive to the top of this first square. Okay, so 1, then 2, and 3. Then we will went up with 4 or 5 chains. I think 4 are okay. And single crochet, then 4 chains, and right in the top single crochet, and like this is how we are going to continue the whole row. Please try not to tie too much, and if you need to make more chains between, we'll make them. Well, so at the end of the row we will have something like this. We are going to slip one to arrive to the to this space, we will go up with 3 chains, and inside we are going to make segments of 4 double crochet. Okay, so here we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then we are going to jump to the next segment, and like this the whole row. Okay, so we will have something like this. If you want here, instead of making this skirt all around, well, you can leave a space right here in the middle and don't close the rows, right? But well, like me, I will put a cord all around, and this will be the last row for the edge. We are going to make this shell, so we will go up with 3 chains, and in the same place, right, we are going to make 2 double crochet, and then we will calculate the space and single crochet, again 3 chains, and in the same place we are going to make 2 double crochet, and right here at the end of this segment a single crochet, and like this is how we are going to continue all around in this row. Okay, this will be for the edge. Well, we are going to make a long cord. Okay, this cord must go all around your hips, and also you must have to make it longer to make a bow or something in the front, okay, to make a beautiful knot right there. So we are going to pass this cord all around like this. I will pass it through this stitch, and then at the end of the tips we are going to put a pom-pom. I will show you. We are going to weave this thread all around approximately 20 times, and we are going to make 2 to put them at the end of the cord. Okay, once you finished, we are going to cut, and then we are going to cut 2 long threads, and we are going to take one to pass them through all these threads. Okay, we are going to make a knot right in the top, and then with the other thread we are going to put them all around these threads to make like a little head. I don't know how to say it more elegant. So we are going to make this. Okay, we'll try to leave the first thread, the first tip at the same distance of the other thread, so when we cut it we can leave them at the same distance, and then we will cut. Okay, we will put the scissors like this, and remember that we are going to make one more exactly the same. Okay, so we are going to cut all these tips, and then with our hook we are going to pass it through with this, and with the help of the other threads we are going to make a knot right there in the top. And we are going to make a knot, and then these threads we are going to pass them through this pom-pom to hide them, and then we are going to cut the rest. Okay, like this. So like we made this pom-pom, we are going to make a second pom-pom to the other side, okay, to the other tip, and I will show you how it looks once we finish to pass them through. Okay, so we already finished with the top, and I will show you how it looks. But well, now here in the bottom we are going to repeat what we made in the top. So remember that we were in this stitch. So we are going to arrive to the top, we are going to slip one, and right here we will go up with 3 chains, and then, no sorry, 4 chains and single crochet, and we are going to make this all around. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4 chains and a single crochet. And well, right here in the bottom, to keep with the A shape, we are going to make a bigger shells. So I will show you how we are going to change the stitch. For now, let's finish this row. Okay, so here we finished the row, and now look, without making any chain or so, we will turn over and we will skip this space, and right in the next one we are going to make this triple double crochet. So we will take 1, 2, and the last 2 again, triple double crochet. So here we have 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and well, we are going to jump this space and we will go to this joint and make a single crochet. Okay, so then we are going to make 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and a single crochet right here in this joint. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and a single crochet right here in this joint. And again, we are going to repeat the shell. So between shells, we are going to have these 2 waves with 5 chains each. And remember that the shells will have 9 triple double crochet. Well, here at the end of the row we are going to slip one to close. So as you could see, we finished exact after this shell. We've made these 2 waves, so we are going to slip one to close. Then we are going to slip one to start the next row until the top of this last wave that we made. So right there is where we want to start. Okay, so one more. Okay, so right here we are in the top. We will go up with 1 chain, and right away in the top of the first double crochet we are going to make this double crochet out of 3 crochet, you see, or the triple double crochet like one of you told me, and between them we are going to make 1 chain. So we are going to make double crochet over double crochet, 1 over the last one, and then we are going to make a wave. I will show you. So here we almost finished to make this shell, and remember taking both parts of the chain in the back, so we will have a little pleat in front. Right here in the middle of this first wave, a single crochet, then 5 chains and a single crochet in the middle of the next wave. So remember, in the last row we had 2 waves, so now we will have only 1, then 1 chain, and again we are going to make double crochet over double crochet, and then 1 wave after this shell. So like this is how we are going to continue the whole row. Okay, so here we finished, and we finished with 1 wave, so we are going to slip one to close. Okay, so now we are going to make and decorate these beautiful shells. Again, we are going to turn around and we are going to arrive to the next the last wave that we made, and we are going to slip one until we arrive to the top. So now that we are here, we will start with the next row. So we will go up with 1 chain, and then we are going to make double crochet over double crochet, but this time we are going to make 3 extra chains. We are going to come back and slip one to make the picot. then 1 chain, again double crochet over double crochet, then 3 chains, and we are going to come back to make the picot. Okay, again 1 chain. Remember, as you could see, we are making 1 chain between them. And like this is how we are going to continue the whole row. We are going to make this to decorate the shells. Again, and slip 1, then 1 chain, a double crochet. Okay, so like this is how we are going to continue the whole row, and this will be the last row to make our skirt. Okay, so this is how we are going to decorate. At the end we are going to hide all the threads that we may have, and here we are just going to make and finish a single crochet. Okay, well, at the end we are going to hide all the threads and we are going to iron it. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. Remember to iron in using a protection under very soft and gently. With this, we've finished the set. In the description box below, I will share the link where you can watch the video and make the top with me. And remember that we divide this video in 2 pieces. So this is the end of the second part to make the skirt. If you missed also the first part, here in the description box below I will share the link so you can make the first part with me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me in all my social media too. And I hope that you will enjoy this summer making some pieces with me.